In this video, I'm going to show you an awesome card trick which is very easy. There is a bonus at the end waiting for you, so stay tuned. So here I have a completely shuffled up deck of cards. But I know you will not believe me, so I'll just show you the cards. You can see that all the cards in this deck are well and truly mixed and are all different. Fair enough. So this trick is done with a normal deck of cards. So I'll show you the performance right now, and then if you want to learn it, you'll have to wait for the tutorial. So first of all, I want you to go ahead and pick any card. So let's just say you come here and you pick this card right here. So first of all, you just look at what the card is. So suppose you take this card. I don't know what this card is, but you need to remember your card. Now I want you to take about half the deck and keep it here, or cut the deck. So suppose you cut it here. I'll keep this card here. Nobody knows this card till now, and then I'll put this deck on top. And then I'll square up this deck, so I have no idea what your card is. Fair enough. Now I want you to snap your fingers like this and then squeeze the deck like this. So now what it has done is it has basically made one card blush. So what do I mean by making a card blush? You see, this back side here is blue. Now it will become red. So let's go and find your card. Not till now, but we'll find it. Oh, here your card is. So first of all, before asking you what your card is, I want to ask you something. Do you remember your card nicely? Because if you don't, then this trick will fail. So, do you remember what your card was? You remember your card, right? Fair enough. So, I think this was a card. Was this your card? This 6 of hearts. Ah, I know that was your card. And that looks like a 6 of hearts to me. But wait. This could also be a coincidence. So, I'll keep the blushed card here, which is your card, of course, the 6 of hearts. And I would want you to go ahead and pick another card. So we'll just redo it and see if it really works or not. So tell me whenever you want me to stop, I'll stop. So right here, okay. Go ahead and look at this card and remember it. Remember your card? Right, okay, we'll just keep the card here. Now we'll follow the same procedure. So snap and squeeze. Now again, one card has blushed. Let's go and find it. Not till now, what's happening? Come on, man. Wait. I must have made a mistake. We'll just do that again. Or you might have squeezed too hard. Now one card has blushed. Oh no, where's the card? No, we forgot something. One card had already blushed. This card has blushed. So let's look at what this card is. And this card is your card, the Queen of Clubs. And this is a very easy card trick that went viral on YouTube. So if you want to impress your friends or anybody, you need to subscribe right now and watch the tutorial. Peace out. So basically, this is a very easy card trick which went viral on YouTube. So I'll teach you how to do it. But first of all, there's a little bit of setup. All you need is a duplicate card with a different back. I just chose a red back to say that the card is blushing. But you can choose any back and any face like this. Then you want to take this card, this is the Queen of Clubs, and place it on the bottom. But before that, you also want to have the same packet card, which is the blue packet I'm using. So blue queen on the bottom, and below it you must keep the other queen from the other deck like this. And that's all the setup that is required. Now let's go on with the trick. So first of all, you will allow the spectator to choose any card. It is a free choice. The spectator can choose any card. So suppose he chooses this card. Now we'll just look at this for the purpose of the tutorial. So it's the Ace of Hearts. Now you just cut the deck like this. That's your choice. You can cut the deck like this, show this card to him for the final time, and then place this card on top. Now the most important thing in this trick happens. Our queen of clubs, this is the red queen, will cover this card. So the ace of hearts is below the red card right now, or your forced card. So what you want to do now is you want to square up the deck and do some magical gestures or enjoy the moment. Then you can snap or squeeze, whatever you like. I did both. Now you want to go and find the red card, like I do. But don't keep it like this on top. Just take the whole deck below the red card and keep it on top, or cut the deck on top like this. Now this red is the queen of clubs, but he did not choose the queen of clubs. He chose the ace of hearts, which is exactly below the red card or the queen of clubs. So what you want to do now is you want to do a double lift, which is like this. That is lifting two cards but making them look as one. So you take the ace of hearts and you flip it like this, but it is actually two cards. So you just take it like this and just lift it, and then you can just close it. But now they think that this red card is the ace of hearts and some magic has happened. But they also have a little bit of doubt that it might be coincidence. So you know this is the queen of clubs and not this selected card like the ace of hearts. But you proclaim it as the ace of hearts and then keep it down. Now everything is very simple. Your selected queen of clubs of the blue pack is now on the bottom, and you can do a Hindu shuffle force. And the other red queen has already been set up. So what is a Hindu shuffle force? A Hindu shuffle force is that you're forcing a card without the spectator knowing that you're forcing a card. So you just take packets of cards from the top of the deck like this. Just take it like this. And then when they tell you to stop, hold the deck like this and square it up like this. And then you can show them this card. This is the queen of clubs. You can show them this is the card, the queen of clubs, and then place it. And then you can do anything you like. First of all, you can snap or squeeze or do both. And then you can be in anguish, showing that you don't know what has happened. Then you say you must try again like that. And then after you have created that moment that you have done nothing, when you point to that card, they'll start freaking out. Because they do not realize how a card can change that has already been kept here for so much time. And then you can show the card to them, flick it, and then show it to them like this. So that is the tutorial, guys. And if you like this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe. Peace out.